Hello, I'm Valerio, and this is a demonstration of a moodlight connected through the lighting network. So this is the lamp, now it's red, and in order to change color we just need to open the website. Then we can see the red color. We can choose a new one, for example a nice green. We can choose how much time we wanted to turn on the light, and payment we calculate on this, so we can add a message and confirm. In the next page we can see the invoices, the invoice of the lighting network. We can copy the invoice and go to the terminal in order to make the payment. We will make payment. And the light will automatically turn receive the payment and turn in the color that we chosen.